Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Josh here with WorkSave Bitcoin, the channel where we talk about protecting your time and energy by saving in Bitcoin, no matter your budget. Today, we're tackling a hot topic, which is should you buy a house or should you buy Bitcoin? If you're on the fence, stick around because we're going to break down why Bitcoin just might be the better choice for your long-term future. Let's get into it. The problem with houses as investments is that for decades, houses have been seen as a reliable investment, a safe way to store and grow wealth. But here's the thing, real estate has become an investment tool out of necessity, not by design. This is because fiat money, like the US dollar, fails as a store of value. Over time, its purchasing power erodes due to inflation. And to combat this, people turn to secondary assets like houses, stocks, or bonds just to be able to preserve their wealth. But the system comes with a cost. Homes are overinflated. Houses are priced far beyond their intrinsic value as places to live, largely because they carry a monetary premium as a store of value. You also have hidden costs like property taxes, maintenance, and insurance, and these all eat into your return on investment. Why Bitcoin is a better alternative? Bitcoin is simply better money than dollars. On a Bitcoin standard, the money itself becomes the store of value. Here's why this matters. Number one, Bitcoin is deflationary by nature. Bitcoin's supply is capped at 21 million coins. Unlike fiat money, which loses value over time, Bitcoin is designed to appreciate as demand grows and supply remains fixed. There's no need for secondary assets on a Bitcoin standard. You don't have to rely on investments like real estate or stocks to outpace inflation. Bitcoin eliminates that need altogether because it preserves purchasing power by design. As Bitcoin adoption continues to grow, this will lead to a monumental shift. The monetary premium on houses will diminish, and over time, houses will become what they are meant to be, which is places to live, not speculative investments. The case for buying Bitcoin now: number one, your front-running institutions, governments, corporations, and millionaires are just now waking up to Bitcoin's potential. Buying Bitcoin today puts you ahead of the adoption curve. Real estate in decline priced in Bitcoin. Historically, the price of homes in Bitcoin has been dropping. A house that cost over 1,000 Bitcoin a decade ago now costs less than 10 Bitcoin. This trend is likely to continue as Bitcoin becomes the world's dominant store of value. Accessibility: you don't need to buy a whole Bitcoin to get started. You can start with any amount and stack sats over time. Sats or satoshis are just smaller units of Bitcoin. One Bitcoin represents 100 million satoshis or sats. So if you're ready to opt out of the flawed fiat system, here's how you can start stacking sats. You can use the Strike app to easily buy and send Bitcoin. Check out my referral link in the description for some reduced fees. You can use the Fold app to earn Bitcoin cashback on everyday purchases. Sign up and get 20,000 sats for free with my referral link. And for long-term security, store your Bitcoin in a hardware wallet like Ledger. Use the affiliate link below to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching. The choice between buying a house or buying Bitcoin isn't just about numbers. It's about understanding the future of money. Bitcoin is the ultimate store of value, and as adoption grows, the monetary premiums of secondary assets like real estate will diminish. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And as always, let's work, save, and build a brighter future with Bitcoin. See you in the next video.